Good morning, everyone. Where am I today?
You're in Romford,
Romford or
Essex.
Brentwood?
Brentwood, Essex.
Brentwood. Stay
Stay tuned.
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 Keep watching for our transformation. Stay tuned. Tuned? Good morning, everyone. Today we do a pressure washing roof, which we're using low pressure. We try to don't damage any tile because the roof looks little bit dirt and a little bit old, and the tires are not in the perfect condition. For this one, we're using other front of the property. We're using a cherry picker. John, Chris, and Danny will be helping me today. Keep watching for our transformation.
Some nights I don't know why I can't lift myself off the floor. It's so damn bad, I feel I'm sinking. So many times I've tried to give you something more, yeah, but it's too late to go down wishing. You saw the worst of me, and I'm the one to blame. It's so damn bad, I feel I'm sinking. There's nothing left of me now, just a shell remains. It's too late to go down wishing. Just a shell of a man, that's all I am. Living on memories, take what I can. Feelings gone in my soul, you left me long ago. Now I'm just a shell of a man, and that's all I am. I could write a book that's filled with all my past mistakes, and I bet you'd laugh if you could read it. I'm the one they come to now for advice on hard to break, and it cuts me down but they don't see it. Some nights I lie awake, I can't fight the sense of shame. That's why there's nothing left of me. There's nothing left of me now, just a shell remain. That's why just a shell remain. Just a shell of a man, that's all I am. Living on memories, take what I can. Feelings gone in my soul, it left me long ago. I'm just a shell of a man, and that's all I am. Just a shell of a man, that's all I am. Living on memories, take what I can. Feelings gone in my soul, it left me long ago. Just a shell of a man,
Hello guys, we just finished the front bit, the side as well. I done the chimney, how much I can and how much I reach. Now I will try to go down and I will try to reverse closer to the house to can manage that side of the chimney. And then when I finish that chimney, I will come around on the left my sand and I will do this side. It's very dirt there as well and the chimney looks terrible. Stay here and watch the video.